Hey guys, what do you know? You're looking at my VIZIO TV. It's April 2007 vintage. I'm fooling around with it because I just like to fix these things. These TVs were made much better than the TVs today in some respects. Of course, technology is better today, but the robust and reliability, this TV lasted a long time. So anyway, I am just demonstrating what I have been doing, and I got a voltmeter here, and I'm going to put it to diode mode. As you could hear the beep beep. Alright, and what I want to show you guys, if I could go down a little further down here, and I hope you guys see this and in focus, of course. These three bank of components, believe it or not, are surface mounted resistors. Where is this coming from? This little twisted cabling, and there's red and there's different colors, are coming all the way from what? The power supply. This whole thing here is the power supply. This whole thing here is your main video board, and this little thing here is your audio board. Really simple. There's just three boards here, nothing else except these connectors over here for your speakers output, which really is just two microboards, which are like daughter boards, extensions from the audio board right here. So guess what? If I put terminals across this fuse right here, the leads across this fuse, that's good. This fuse, that's good. That means there's continuity. This fuse, nothing. This little fuse here is the 1.5 amp fuse that usually blows on these things. This one is, I think, a 4 or a 3, and this one is a 5. So these two far right hand fuses will never blow, but this one, for some reason, it blows. The 3 and the 5 never blows, but the 1.5 does. See, there's no noise, there's no continuity at all. And when I power it up, of course I'm not going to do this because I need all my hands. I put the meter in voltage reading, DC of course, direct current, and I put my meter across the one that is bad, and it sure enough gives me 4.65 volts across it. Why does it have voltage across it? Because the fuse is busted. Otherwise it should register 0 volts across it. Any component that is flowing current shouldn't be having any voltage across it. Like a resistor, you'll have voltage across it because it's resisting current. So anyway, as you can see, this one is busted. I'm going to get my handy dandy soldering iron, and I'm waiting for the repair package for these components and other components just in case. Usually these power transistors go bad, but not in this particular sense. It's usually all these fuses right here, the little tiny fuse over there, that usually goes bad on these boards. And I'll just have another nice TV for another couple years, hopefully. Alright guys, that was it. See you later.